What's up to the gang? It's your girl Nay, and I'm back with another challenge. This is the medium free topping pizza challenge. Medium free topping pizza challenge that I'm about to do by Steel City Mukbang. I said this. Yeah, I think I said it right. But if I did not leave your channel in my video. So let's get it started, you guys. We have 10 minutes, I think, on the clock. It's at 9:59. We have I ain't got no timer. And the challenge is you gotta dip when you eat. You gotta dip your pizza, and you have to do this in 10 minutes. I think it's 10 minutes. And it's gotta be a thick crust. I got thick crust, but you know I love this doing stuff. But so yeah, let's get started, you guys. You guys can start timing me. I got me some buffalo ranch sauce ranch that I'm gonna how this is. So let's get it started. Time me when I start eating. Oh yes, it's 3 toppings. Multiple toppings. Got bell pepper sausage and pepperoni. Yeah, 3. It's my list. Right, here it goes, you guys. Oh, drop off. Not bad.
Nope, you left the seat. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, that's right.
Okay, then I'm gonna say the sweet hamburger pickles. The sweet. I'm singing Migos. Okay.
Would you like a slice? Would you like a slice? Because I could eat it all. I'm just asking if you like a slice because it ain't bad.
French Cornichon baby pickles cheapest. $9 spicy pickles spears from our.
I got long nails, so yeah. I give up too much over though.
And then $15 jar sliced dill pickles award-winning.
I'm thirsty. I don't know if you can drink after that.
We were all leaving.
Hey, before we go, can y'all
Hey, deal with it.
This is a good pizza. Sorry about the talking in the back, that's Trey. That Walmart pizza be falling apart.
Buffalo balls, peanuts.
It's gonna be bougie, so we'll see.
We're back. Jamal!
Spencer!
Alright, here we go.
It's not too much talking, it's a challenge, so.
Oh my gosh, this is like a full wrap.
So yeah, Supreme pizza at Walmart was $5. Medium pizza. So should I do your challenge, girl? I'm doing your challenge.
Wait. Oh my God. Is this
I don't know how many slices it was, just like all mixed together, so you gotta. And I ain't got no cutters, so yeah. I hope that's not loud on my video.
That's the same deal for Ryan. This is the exact same deal that Timon picked up on the.
I don't want to see no bugs while they eating bugs and stuff I'm eating. That's nasty. But how's everybody's February going? Valentine's Day coming up. I'm gonna be here by myself with the kids. Because Trey got to work 24/7. That's half a pizza. I don't know how many slices are there. big slices. 3 left. Y'all can try this challenge if you want to. I'm not challenging nobody, but y'all can try if you want to. Go to Steel City Mukbang. Check out her video. She got good content if y'all want to subscribe. I'm full, that's why I said I saved you a slice. Well, a couple slices. They put too much on this pizza. It's my whole day room. Y'all. I ate enough. For me to be a little person, I ate enough. You see this whole side go? Huh? This whole side. It's got this side. I don't know how many slices it is. But I'm doing, y'all.
That's half a pizza. Probably like 4 to 5 slices.
I'm full. And I'll save this for this challenge. But my stomach hurt. And it was a challenge, like I said. It wasn't too much talking. It was just a challenge to see if I could do it in 10 minutes. And I don't know what time I did it in. I need to invest in a timer or another phone or something. So, I could have a time. I got another challenge coming up soon. I think I'm gonna have some exotic foods. I want like some animals, some crickets, some ants, some grasshoppers, roaches. No, it's ain't no roaches. But yeah, we got a challenge coming soon for everybody to do. Or you know what? Bump that. Every time I do a challenge, nobody wants to do my challenge. I think I have like 3 or 4 people. Let me see. We got DMV Dining Diva did my challenge. And Maddie did my challenge. Triplicious Mukbang, I think it's called, right? I can never get your damn name right, but don't hold me to that. And I said I made it. 3 people did my challenge. Huh? Oh, the Winston challenge, she did my challenge. So shout out to you, girl. It's like an easy challenge for anybody to do. I don't know why nobody did it yet. It's not nasty. It's pretty good challenge. It's like peanut butter and pickles, and I looked it up or whatever on YouTube. A lot of people have tried it before, but they never put it on both sides. The peanut butter on both sides. It originated from me because I'm the one that started it a long time ago, and I had it on Facebook first. So yeah, and that was a long time ago. Anyways, y'all, but whoever want to try this challenge, you can try the challenge. Go to Steel City Mukbang. Go check out her channel. Subscribe to her channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit our notification bell, you guys. Let us know in the comments below what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see mukbangs, you want to see vlogs, you want to see pranks, because I do have stuff up my sleeve. I've been plotting. Let me know what let me see what else to say. Let me know what y'all use on your phone, like what editing system you guys use, because I have a MacBook. And I also have an iPhone. But the internet out here, it sucks so freaking bad. So I can't run both of them. I can't run the TV on the internet. I can't run the MacBook on the internet. It's just too much. So yeah, let me know what y'all use on the phone. That's what I be using to record. I use my phone. And you know, expensive phones. It's an iPhone 6 Plus. Is it 6 Plus? 6S Plus. So it's a small version, but yeah, it still works. But let me know what y'all use on your iPhones, or if y'all probably got the same iPhone. If you don't have the same iPhone, let me know what system you use. Alright, I love y'all. Peace and blessings to the game. Y'all wanna try this challenge, like I said, you can try it. I'm not telling you to. Ooh, kind of full. I'm kind of full, but I want some more. Alright, peace to the game. I don't know how long the video is, but I think I might talk a little longer if it's not long. What is it?
9 minutes.
9 minutes. Huh?
10 minutes.
Yeah, video has to be over 10 minutes. It can't be short.
Put it
That's ranch and buffalo ranch sauce. It's pizza sauce.
Oh, that's myself on pizza.
You said put your spice sauce. I ain't stopped the camera yet, y'all. It's kind of like sour. I don't know how to explain it. You know it on camera. It just be your bottom half. Alright, to the game, but yeah. Try our challenge. I'm asking y'all to try our challenge. Tag us in it. NayandTray. So people can click the damn video and find us so they can see the video where it originated from. Please get our names right because it's NayandTray, but my name is Nation. His name is Trey. I'm not going to put his government name or whatever. My name is Nation. So, yeah, y'all know Nation. That is me. And that's where I got name. Name, sure, name. You got stuff all on your mouth, man. All on your mouth. Videos coming soon, and make sure y'all do comment below of what you want to see so we can know. You guys, if we don't know, if you don't comment below, we'll never know. And we're gonna keep doing these mukbangs, and I know people get tired of people eating all the time. I know like it's the mukbang community, but I was not in the mukbang community yet, but I am now, and I still do other stuff. So yeah, try on hauls when I'm coming soon too when I buy some damn clothes. Love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe.